What's next is that I will lose my social skills.
I'm worried about when this will all be over and what that will look like.
I worry that I won't be able to go to college on time, or if I do, it'll be nothing like it should be.
Since the COVID-19 outbreak pandemic, many children, teens, and adults' mental health has been affected negatively. During the pandemic, an average share of young adults ages 18 through 24 report symptoms of anxiety or depressive disorder. Compared to all adults, young adults are more likely to report substance use and suicidal thoughts. Prior to the pandemic, young adults were already at high risk of poor mental health and substance use disorder, though many did not receive treatment. Now, let's listen to a group of students who will discuss their challenges during this pandemic.
The biggest challenge for me during this time is finding the motivation to keep my sleep schedule and my work schedule consistent.
The biggest challenge for me during this time has been reaching out to people and staying connected. I always fear that that's going to be the last interaction I have with them.
There are so many things that I've wanted to do, and now I don't have an excuse not to do them.
It's challenging to focus on my schoolwork because working in my room is really distracting.
When we had school, I had a strict schedule that I stuck to every single day. And now, I don't even have a schedule at all.
I miss being able to go and visit my baby cousins on the holidays. And just the thought of never being able to do any of that ever again is scary.
As an adult, even if you don't have an everyday relationship with a teen, just by checking in can be very helpful.
We don't need them to fix anything, we just need them to be there to listen.
I really appreciate all of the ways my teachers have been accommodating to a new environment.
Parents can help by giving their kids a hug from time to time, since hugs are harder to come by these days.
Adults can be supportive by just trying to be empathetic. It's a hard time for us students, and adjusting to a new way of learning is hard.
Thank you, students from Needham High School in Needham, Massachusetts, for sharing how COVID-19 has impacted your mental health. Now we will share tips and tricks on how you can cope with your mental health.